Hello friends, I am VM. In this video I will show you how to view camera, multiple camera, only one screen. Now you see in this application I am at 4 device. Okay, tap on one device. Now you see here only one camera shown on screen. I am going to show you how to open multiple screen. Okay, now tap on 4 windows, tap on plus, select 4 camera and tap on view cameras. Now you see on screen 4 cameras shown. Okay, double tap on camera, maximize this camera and double tap once again and minimize. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.